to be made. Looking this good, don't come for free. A bitch, what? That's just who I be. It's expensive to be me.
Wait a minute. I have a question. Remember the guy that came over that said to you, "Oh, are you playing that? I've been waiting to play that." How long did he play it for? Like 2 seconds?
Yeah. All right, so we're back restarted.
All right, that's all right.
I went kind of a little chilly. Like not much chili.
Oh, you cheated.
I had to eat something. I was getting like low, and I was like, "Do I call?"
Oh, well, there's two.
I'm like, "Oh my god, I gotta get
She
it
went to
there."
eat. It's every man for himself with your friend.
Maybe we need to smoke.
Yeah.
Why do you?
It's every man for
Why
himself.
should you lie? It's okay.
They're all eating in the fucking
Wait,
corner on
I'm
the
starving
side.
here.
You're not going to be in a minute. You're drinking that thing, and then that's it. You're not going to want to eat.
I'm still hungry. Come on.
What did I just do? I just
That
did
was
this.
great.
I did a 12-year-old girl cheer.
There's only a drop left.
Are you just gonna ball up and get the fuck out of us or what?
I know.
We got this shit.
Bring it over to this side. Bring it over to this side. No. Take care of it. Thank you. Thank you.
Come on. We're gonna do it.
We are. Like we did before.
And we're gonna do bigger and better.
That's what he said, baby. Good. You call what is that, a hat or a pot?
What? The
It's a hat.
leaf?
You call it the green, right?
The green is a cup.
It's a cup?
Yeah.
It's an ingot.
Yeah, it's a cup.
What the fuck is an
It's a
ingot?
cup. It's an antique thing.
No, it's a
It's an
hat.
antique thing.
It's a hat. It's an imperial hat.
I don't know why they're getting excited. They're not gonna win anything on that
Well, they're
game.
betting 60 cents.
You stopped it. It's okay.
You stop, you fucking loser.
Ooh. How much have they? They haven't won anything yet. See, I told you. Last game. Let's see if they win. And they won $9 on a $3 bet.
Very good.
Yep. And that's why you don't play Monopoly Hot Shot.
Alright, come on now.
Is the pot broken? Did he just say
do a cash out redo?
at 800?
Okay.
Come on.
Come on, people!
All right, cash just that.
There are people behind us who are getting all
We're
excited.
gonna refresh this. Oh, puppy! Come on, Mark. Win us $1 billion. All right, go ahead.
Alright, so deep breaths.
That's it.
Get in touch with your inner whatever.
We're new prayer.
They got a puppy here.
I saw.
That was like my baby.
It's happened ever since the Mushensteins game.
You're right, actually. Come on, yes.
And that, do it.
Yep.
Now, if that flips in the bonus, do we still get it?
What do you mean if it flips?
No respect for a live stream.
I know.
No respect for a live stream.
It's because I touched the puppy.
All right, come on, get us to 8x5.
Somebody gets a
Actually, let me ask you a question. You want to just do 3 or you want to do mystery?
I'll let you decide.
What do you want to do?
What,
Mystery.
I want to get laid.
Do mystery then. Come on, 8x5. I wanted it. Oh no, we should do it.
They need to change it up a little.
All right.
That's the same thing.
All right, a rebuild.
Dogs!
Yeah.
$432.
Oh, wait a minute.
You farted?
Yeah.
Oh god, now there's a huge crowd because everyone's yelling.
That's why I farted.
Right in my face.
That's all right. Breathe it in, sweetheart. It's vitamins. Vitamins.
Oh my
It's vitamins. Vitamins. Angela fed me. It's her fault.
Oh my god, that is disgusting.
Oh my
I
god.
don't know what you're talking about.
It smells like rotten eggs.
It does. Sulfur.
That's why I don't get laid. You confront that
Did you eat broccoli?
shit. It only smells bad because I'm dead inside.
Cups.
Cups. Come on, retrigger.
Oh, dogs.
Dogs.
192.
See, it doesn't.
$4.
There we go. Now we gotta blow behind it.
Wow, that's amazing. You picked 3. You would not
Back
have
up again.
it. You picked it. You're right.
I picked the mystery. I picked the mystery.
You don't get any of it.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up and fart and shit at the same time.
I'm just gonna take my shirt off.
Yeah.
Oh, now we got somebody who's just on our ass. Just flat. Do you want to sit down?
Good thing you didn't go with the $10 bet, huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh no.
That's
Come on, goodbye.
Retrigger.
Oh,
All
where's the...
dragons, all dragons.
Dragon,
Come on,
dragon.
there you go.
Oh,
God, that would have been so hot.
help me.
I'm just gonna scream the word cunt any minute.
All right.
We want the pot to close.
Yeah, we do want the pot to close.
We've doubled.
Come on.
It can.
You can, sure. Come on, dragons, hats,
Something.
throwing something. I don't know.
Last game.
All right. Well, that was good.
That's nice. Nope.
Oh my God, there is such a crowd
Thanks.
behind us.
Yay.
Yay.
I can pay for my hysterectomy now. She whispered into Joe's ear, can I give you a blowy?
Oh, everyone left. Thank God.
She did. You guys didn't hear it.
Okay, back to $10.
Right. Down to 1,300.
Okay.
Not that we got into that trouble before. Did that smell really bad?
It's so bad.
I didn't even
Don't
smell
do that
it.
again, all right? But that's how he got the thing. What'd you eat, cauliflower?
I licked Joe's feet.
Oh, there we go.
That's what
Finally.
happens.
But it's a regular one.
I'm doing a swipe.
Go ahead.
Major.
Swipe it.
Swipe. Ooh. Oh, good job. It was a $29 regular mini.
Oh, fuck. Can you imagine if it got double? Of course it is. We're putting
No, I'm not drinking.
We're putting $100 in spin into this. All right, here we go.
Come on, we need a bonus. I say if we get a bonus on $10, what are we stopping at? We're going
I'm doing whatever you tell me to.
No.
Oh!
I was gonna say if we get a bonus on $10,
Do
we
the
should do 3.
Yeah. I agree.
Win $5, yellow.
What we say to 1,300?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, go ahead.
I'm sweating under my breath.
Woo!
Scared the shit out of me.
We're excited about anything that makes noise, you know?
I understand.
Makes noise, we're happy.
If you stick a dick in his ass, he'll make noise too.
Fuck me, fuck me, fuck me. Oh, see, he saw my ass.
Yep, that's what it was.
He booed my ass.
Oh, Bush.
If you can't get laid at Foxwoods, you got no game.
No, seriously. If you can't get laid here, you can't get laid anywhere.
Anywhere, forget it. Just give it up. I mean, even a couple of the, security guards, they got a free hour,
Come on.
Come on, do it. All right, rebuild.
Last one for luck. Hold
Yes.
on. Okay. All right. Back down. It likes the 588, I guess. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in joining my Patreon, click on the icon on the left. If you're new to my channel, click on the middle to subscribe. And if you're feeling frisky, click on one of the 2 videos on the right.